Some breaking news. Venezuela has been hit by the strongest earthquake in over 125 years. And the situation is getting worse by the hour. At least 32 people have been confirmed dead, with over 700 being injured. And at first, over 6,600 were initially reported as missing, but that number is rising by the second. This disaster was caused by two earthquakes a few hours ago. At first, a magnitude 7.2 earthquake, followed just 39 seconds later by an even bigger 7.5 magnitude earthquake. Now, almost immediately, Venezuelan officials declared a state of emergency across the country. This includes shutting down the country's main international airport and suspending metro services. As well, schools have been shut across the country, with some schools being turned into emergency shelters and relief aid shelters. Now, the current acting president, Delcy Rodriguez, has urged people to, quote, remain calm. To be fair, there's actually a lot of pressure on Delcy Rodriguez at the minute in how she responds to this natural disaster. There is currently a 9% chance that she will be kicked out as the acting leader of Venezuela by the end of the year. That's according to Polymarket, by the way, a place where you can predict world events. So how she responds to this natural disaster will change the future of her career. However, the death toll is expected to rise dramatically more than the 32 as search teams are searching through the rubble. And here's the worrying part. The US geological survey carried out onto the site so far suggests that the death toll could reach into the thousands. And there is even a risk that the death toll could reach into the tens of thousands if the worst hit areas are damaged as much as feared. In natural disasters like this, the true death toll is not usually found out until days after the event happens, and this happened just hours ago. Countries including the US, Brazil, Mexico, even Ecuador and El Salvador have all offered humanitarian aid and medical assistance, along with offering search and rescue teams to help find the missing people as well. From the initial reports, this is by far one of the worst natural disasters we've seen in years across the world. And so, of course, as we find out more and the search and rescue teams continue searching, I'm going to keep you up to date, so make sure that you're following me.
Viewer subscribers, Venezuela has been destroyed completely by a massive, or should I say, two massive earthquake. People don't want to see the disaster we caused over there in Venezuela. But I'm going to play some video clips so you guys can have a better understanding of what I am talking about. But in the meantime, people, please send out some prayers for Venezuela and the people over there in Venezuela as well. You understand what I say? Also remember to like, comment and share. Also subscribe to the channel so you never miss another upload. Alright. And guys, remember to pray for Venezuela. Remember to pray for the people over there in Venezuela. Alright? So check this clip out.
This is breaking news. There is catastrophic destruction across northern Venezuela after a 7.1 magnitude earthquake rocked the country overnight. Dozens of people have already been confirmed killed and hundreds injured. These numbers are expected to rise sharply. You can see in this video here rescue crews digging through the rubble. They are searching for survivors who are believed to be buried in the aftermath of this natural disaster. President Trump posted to Truth Social overnight saying, quote, "The two major earthquakes that just hit the great people of Venezuela are both massive in scale and have left a devastating number of deaths. The USA stands ready, willing, and able to help." The president goes on to say, "I have instructed all agencies of our government to get ready to move quickly. We will be there for our new and great friends. Early reports are not good." Again, these devastating images out of northern Venezuela, you can see just how many people were affected by this earthquake. There are reports of earthquakes in other parts of the world, an indication that these tectonic plates shifting are creating a significant amount of events, all taking place at the same time. There will be updates from my colleagues on Fox News throughout the day. Be sure to tune in and follow me here for the latest.
mi vida. delfines, mira, 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 mira.
¿Dónde estaban ustedes?
Sí, mira cómo se cayeron todas las paredes del frente.
Y esto de aquí también, ¿eh?
Marico, esto es muy impresionante esto. Ay, Dios mío, la gente. La familia. Yo también, marico. Marico. Ay, Luis, traía el cuerpo, Lucas.
Ya. Ya, por. Afuera que tenemos. No sale de allá. Hermano, no, fuera más peligroso, hermano. Por allá. Señores, al puerta 4. Por allá.
Amareli, se está cayendo esta mierda. Mierda. $45. Se rompieron las cosas, Amareli. Mierda. Mierda.
A tsunami warning now for the Caribbean, including Puerto Rico. A major earthquake took place in Venezuela during the late afternoon, and then around 7 o'clock this evening, 7.5 magnitude aftershock. That's enormous. And that, of course, not only is shaking up the country, including the lightning capital of the world, Lake Maracaibo, but it's also causing a possible tsunami that will work across the Caribbean. From Aruba to Curacao to the Virgin Islands to Puerto Rico, which is located right there, the Dominican Republic and Haiti, all on the lookout for that potential of a tsunami. Now, we'll have more information later as that tsunami may develop, but for the time being, that's all we know. We know they've gotten badly shaken up near the nation's capital down there in Venezuela, and of course, the tsunami would follow. And this is the second earthquake, so I'm only talking about the tsunami warning from the first. We'll have to see if this will make the situation even worse. If you know, folks,
¡Está temblando, está temblando! ¡Ay, no! Dios mío, no, Dani. ¡No!
Sí, yo estaba sentado ahí.
Dios mío.
Y agarra la moto para arrancar.
¡Vamos para allá, para allá!
No, sí, ya estaba jugando con moto, ahí no se explotaba, mira que... Arga, está temblando duro, chamo. Tírate la cara. Mira, mira cómo se mueve el bote. Coño, estaban las guayas que se explotaban arriba. Aplastado, el culo. Claro, ahí siempre aplastado, no soy. Bueno, en cualquier edificio que se cayó hay más de uno. Mamá huevo, chamo. Estamos en pañales allá, ¿no?
No, pero la casa de nosotros pues de
Mira,
3
mira
pisos.
aquí viendo
Mira, aquí
todo
se
esto.
cayó completo el piso abajo, lo hundió, mira.
Mira la planta, weón, prendida.
¿Cuál era el formato este o este? Porque no lo recuerdo. Este. Ahí tuvo que haber habido gente. Mira la calle aquí, sí, mira.
Claro,
Aquí
aquí fue más arrecho el epicentro, weón.
Mira la SA, no le pasó nada.
Se rajó la vida, weón.
Allá sí debe haber vainas que están. Mira esto. Ah, es que este se puede venir,
Margarita, nuevecito, recién hecho.
No quedó nada.
La ferretería Los Pilares no se cayó, solo piso.
El de las
Ni
motos.
la universidad, mira la universidad también.
Sí, claro, de aquel lado también.
Y aquí, mira,
El de
este
las
edificio,
motos. Este edificio está porteado, mira, eso tienen que ser
Sí, bueno.
palos.
Sí, yo vi, ya lo veré ya.